Well, guys, you're not gonna believe it. I'm down here at Camp Stonewall, and Camp Stonewall has been completely destroyed. The wind and the rainstorm that we had knocked down all the trees and all the power. Every tree out here has fallen directly on Camp Stonewall. So it looks like we're gonna have to build a new camp. All the trees broke right off and fell directly on Camp Stonewall. I can't believe it. You can see my fire pit and everything right over there. Unbelievable. So it looks like we need to build a new camp.